Yo, what is up, everybody? Good morning and good afternoon, and welcome back to the Tech It Simple YouTube channel. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can transfer Solana from buying into Trustwallet. So, for those people who do not know Binance is the exchange where you guys can buy and sell crypto, and Trustwallet is a wallet where you guys can store crypto. Alright, so both of them has different. Trustwallet is a wallet, Binance is action. But that doesn't matter. This video is on how you guys can transfer Solana, so let's get into the point. But before that, if you guys are new to this channel, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And if you guys want to sign up to Binance, you guys can use our referral link in the description to get up to $10 bonus for signing up into Binance. Let's get right into the video now, shall we? So the first step is to come to Binance. Come and log in into your account. After you do that, you want to go and read says wallet. You want to go on overview over here, and once you go on overview, the next step is you want to go on where it says withdraw. Once you want Bitrum, you want to withdraw Solana, so by default it's going to be on Bitcoin, but we don't want to go with Bitcoin. We want to go with Solana, so we're going to choose Solana over here, and Asana is also called Sol, or not what it is called, Sol coin. Alright, so you just want to click on Sol, and once you do that, you want to open your Trust Wallet and Trustworthy to ongoing races receive, you want a sorcerer as well over here as well for Solana, and choose Solana. After you choose Solana, you just copy the wallet address over here like this. After you copy the wallet address, just go over here and paste it over here. After you paste it, it's going to choose the network automatically. If it doesn't, you can choose it yourself as well. And over here you want to enter the amount of Solana you want to transfer. After doing that, just click on withdraw. Once you click on withdraw, 23 Solana from abundance will be transferred into my Trust Wallet. Now right now I'm saying 23, but it depends on the amount of Solana you know right over here. Alright, for you, it might be different. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can transfer Solana from Binance to transfer it. So hope you guys were able to understand the video. If you guys did, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer the guys.